Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to Mughal Dishes. Today we're going to be making my favorite dish, halwa. I add 1 cup of brown sugar. So I start off with 5 cups of sugar and 5 cups of water on medium heat. In a bowl I add 1 cup of cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of food coloring and 1 cup of water. I now mix it all together and add it to my sugar mixture. I now add a whole lemon and a cup of oil too. Now while this is cooking, I grab a handful of green cardamom pods and 3 nutmegs. Now I powder the cardamom pods and the nutmeg. Now I add that to my mixture. This is a special type of butter and I use it to grease my pan. And I also add it to my creation. And this is a finished product.
Hi guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to make it a thumbs up, like, subscribe. Bye.